Good day to you, my friend Raho Betala of South India. I am Mr. Remigio Añonuevo Balane of the Philippines. I am a targeted individual since 1985. I am 25 years old then. And I am 65 years old now in this year of March 6, 2026 in the Philippines. I am in the Philippines and I got my tinnitus since 1986 after a year of the initial gun stalking on me here in the Philippines, and I got my B2K or synthetic telepathy or voice to God experiences during 1993. So during 1993 it stopped. So in 1994 I transferred my residency for a moment in Quezon City, from Caloocan City to Quezon City. So I got the first organized gun stalker there in 1994. Until now, I have an organized gun stalker, and my tinnitus is continue and getting stronger. It began in my left ear, and now for sometimes they do it also. They put my tinnitus with different pitch sounds in my right ear, but I can hear voices daily until I am asleep. So these voices does not come inside my head. It comes around me, from the ceiling to anywhere, especially when there are motors or especially electric fans around me. Especially when you place the speed of the motor of the electric fan into number 1, so you can hear voices there. The electric fans or the wind of the electric fans amplify the B2K voices or the voice of God. So I am constantly induced with stroke and sometimes choke also, but the induced stroke and the heart pain is my daily dose, especially when I am doing some video like this, and that is daily. And whenever I am sleeping, I feel the cramp and numbness in my whole body, from the crown of my head to the bottom of my feet. So that is numbness. Even my tongue become numb. I am paralyzed and always awaken in the morning, or whenever I am awake from the sleep, I feel so cold, like I am in the morgue. That is daily. So sometimes there is some muscle spasm on my legs, or sometimes on my arms, but always it is on my legs, and the spasm is so very painful. That is the problem with the targeted individuals, and I have a gang stalkers around me daily, and there are some scappers who give reports around me that I am a bad man, I am a terrorist, and so many things. So every accusation it is given to me. So I have never done any good for these people. So I've been in abroad also. I work abroad in 2019. So yes, 2019 in Madagascar. My first flight experience in airplane. So I can still hear the voices even inside the airplane, on top of the clouds going to Africa. So I can hear voices. So but it was stopped there in Africa, because that would be the breach of sovereignty, so there will be problems. So that's why it is good for the TI to go some country that is not friendly to your country, and then there will be some feedback of diplomatic protest, because they can detect that the TI from some coming from other country, they can detect the signal of this microwave, because it is a military grade. So whenever I go to to the other nation, there should be an interception of the military of the signal with the TI. So it does not happen when you go to the allied countries. All allied countries are one under the leadership of the USA. So I am giving this testimony that I am a targeted individual since 1985. I am an electrical and electronics technician and all-rounder maintenance. That is my profession. But since 2012, I have not landed a job. I have not found a job because if there is no interview, there is no employer. So that is how they do it to targeted individuals. And even in abroad, I am also being harassed by my co-workers, especially my Filipino brothers. So this is how intricate and how this internationally operating this kind of targeting, this psychotronic targeting. So the technology of the psychotronic technology was invented by Robert Malik since 1974 and was patented in 1976. And it was patented in 1976, so the CIA take over the management of that technology that is patented because it can read minds remotely from outer space to your neighborhood. The only problem during that time is the satellite. So in 1976, the US Army have developed the satellite that is called TAMI, T-A-M-I. That is an acronym for Thoughts Amplification and Mind Interface. When we talk about interface, it means there is an involvement of computer. There is already computer during the time in 1970s, but it is not so sophisticated by the computer today. Even the computer during that 1970 cannot surpass the ability of a cell phone. So that's it. But there is already a computer there, but it is bigger. The facility is bigger. So it was reduced in size in cell phone. So imagine how highly improved this kind of psychotronic technology today. So there are so many improvements. But it began in 1974. So I am testifying that this psychotronic technology is not only happening in a nation like India, but also in Asia, like the Philippines, the Vietnamese. I have contacts to some Vietnamese also. I have some contacts to Malaysian and Indonesian targeted individuals, and that is haunting our mind. That will haunt our mind. Why is it that it is everywhere? Only in Russia that I cannot find, and some European countries that I cannot find a TI. But in China, there is also a targeted individuals. So this is what I am experiencing today. All pain that you can remember, heart pain, induced stroke, induced choke. I feel being choked in my neck and it feels dry. So sometimes there is a piercing rod in my lungs, as if in the size of barbecue stick, like that. So they can do that anywhere. And they are giving me allergy that I have never had before. I have never had before that because I passed through the medical examination before going abroad. So I've been in Madagascar, Mozambique, Zambia, and even in Qatar. So, and when I was in Qatar, the B2K, the voice to skull, or the voice to skull or synthetic telepathy or the voice of God did not happen. I cannot hear voices from the Philippines. Only in Qatar. So there's something in much of sophistication in Qatar. So, good day to all of you. This is Friday, March 6, 2026. And thank you to you, Raho Betala, for inviting me to give you my testimony in video. And thank you very much. Thank you very much to all of the TI that is watching now, and to all of the TI around the world. We can pass through this legally.